People are hungry, so I need to do myself. You have to have, is it over phone?
It dead.
So you good?
No man, this is good.
So go praise the Lord. I'll show them what I do. Your phone needed to be on charge?
But I just have it on, just in.
You can't turn on your flash, your light on your phone?
I don't know if you can do so with this, with Instagram.
You can. Alright, people, never season up now. You can, man. Just turn the light. Now, come on. Never season up, you know. Lord, people, I'm back. Whoo! Me hungry like dog.
Jeffrey said, I'm back.
For who, eh?
Jeffrey Palmer said, I'm back.
Thank you for joining me, Jeffrey. You're back. Everybody is going to come back. I had 700 and odd people on the live.
You're going to 226 already.
Let me see if everybody come back.
226.
I food there for me, I swear. I feel like me alone can't eat it. I'm going to dedicate a food here tonight for me and Uno.
The people them do that bleach pan, you know.
I put in the spinach time. I know some of that bleach for me. So here, look at this. Somebody just cut up all I seasoned them already. It's an onion, tomato. Garlic is already in there, pimento seed, onion, tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, and this is thyme. Alright? But all this is going right. But they already do that. And you know, I'm hungry to know week to see stew peas, you know. We have a season, right? We have a season up. We have a season up, you know. No, don't play that piece. No, I'll try it out. Oh. So see spinach there, but we not put all of it in. Some. Spinach time. No, tomato can go in it. Tomato can. Everybody cook different. Tomato can go in there. That go in mine. Everybody cook different. So this is the spinach. Trust me. Mommy is in Jamaica. She's taking care of Markadine until I come home. Love you, Mommy. Thank you for teaching me all the good things, how to cook and all these things. Understand? So I'm just putting in the spinach them now.
Them ask if coconut milk in there.
No.
At 1 a.m. before this done.
Soon done.
Why don't I watch your pot and not time it?
It's soon
You
done.
know I get some people?
It's soon.
Never see tomato in stew peas yet, but
No,
I still
man,
want
no, you
some.
see it. Nothing wrong with tomato going there. Trust me, everybody cook different and it tastes good with the tomato. Or some do it with the tomato. Nothing wrong with that if tomato going there. Everybody cook different. Now you know something new tonight. Me say, now you know something new. Me put it in mind.
To each his own.
Me put it in my own.
No tomato in stew peas.
Me never usually use,
Okay.
but me put it in mind. Me don't want your argument from them again. Me alright, me put it in mind. Usually me not put the spinach, but when I say put it in there, me I do it. I put the spinach and now I bubble down. I want to see the best cook come show me how to cook tonight. There's no perfect way in cooking or there's no thing the way in cooking, I put in my own in there.
Coconut milk off it in there.
You don't have to go
I
in
can
there.
cook stew peas without coconut
You
milk.
don't have to go in there. You don't have to be in there. Coconut milk don't have to go in there. No, never in a store no go.
May I come for some?
No, not have it in there. I tell you that.
Put whatever you want, it's vegetable.
No coconut milk not have it in there.
Some of that I consumed yesterday, you know. Lord, people, done with the coconut milk, man, and the tomato, please.
Tomato is fine in there. I know them never say sit about tomato, but they know now they learn something new. Tomato can go into it.
You and mommy used to buy roast fish from me, but guess through I live in the UK now, and when are you coming to London? When are you coming to London?
I should supposed to be in London this summer, people. I'm supposed to be in London this summer. And a festival over there with the promoter. I don't know the promoter, I don't know. But I should be because the show was cancelled because of COVID. So, let's see. I heard about it,
Watch your spinners.
Okay, nice. You can try to season the pot.
Dumpling them too big. Lord, everything bother on you.
I'm tired there, man. I'm tired. I'm tired of one piece. I'm tired.
Dumpling for big.
I'm tired, man. Spinach must be, but I'm tired. I try to roll them as fast as I can. Don't put them back in my pot. Put them out of my pot. Don't try to watch fast. I roll them as best as I can, people. As small as I can, as best as I can. I'm tired.
When you come back at Cayman?
Cayman, the place just start warming up back still. I'm coming there soon though. I have a booking for Cayman, but it's not confirmed, is it?
Them said down with the dumpling now.
No, I'll put about 3 more in there. I have a booking inquiry for Cayman. So, soon. I'm tired bad. I'm just showing you the finale.
You're doing a good job.
Thank you. I really appreciate you guys.
When are you coming to Birmingham, England? Well, she just answered that.
The floor, can I make it get a little thick? The spinach are not so bad.
Put butter, yeah, angel, and little sugar and jerk season to bring up the taste.
And a time it. Give me a minute. And a time it. Season, we are season now.
I like how you're not going to fix up body too.
Teacher, season. So I only the tomato must go in there. Now for
You want Netflix to pick
nothing going wrong with that. It's tomato go in
You
there.
want Netflix to pick
Alright, it's still fine.
the show.
It's still okay. Alright? Make this one cook down, you know. The pot ram.
That look pretty.
Ram.
Pot looks good.
Make it one.
Love you, the angel. You're gorgeous. Want to
Love
see you
you.
plate it later.
Alright, make it one. Do this thing right over this one. So I'm gonna add my all-purpose. Wash out my hand and come back.
Pot 2 little man, how it a go share?
Not tell you, it's not a share. I'm not food in there.
Oh, Brand Marlon Anthony, wife, the angel music. Finally, Brandon has made his himself.
Brandon!
Yes.
Hi, honey!
People them not stop asking you from night.
Sorry, go by yourself.
Marlon.
Hey, my honey. Hey, my sweetheart. I'm making stew peas and rice. I wish you was here. You were here to have dinner with me, but when I come home, I'll cook for you. You know. Everybody asks you. My husband just joined. My husband just joined the live. Okay?
Sure.
Say that. What's the water? Don't pass the place.
Now put no chicken foot in there.
No. Him know say I'm lock already. I have food locking. Him know what lock him already. No chicken foot not going in there. So I'm going to put in my Maggi now.
Then you cook for yourself alone.
No. I put it in my all-purpose. Leave that light on. Put it in my all-purpose. Right, yes, sir. All it needs is just the all-purpose. And a little pinch of black pepper. Hot jerk season there.
Catch the pot.
So I hold my back.
And Miss Antigua talk no tomato.
So I hold my back. No man, this is good man. Everybody cooks different. Tomato can be in it.
Burn out that pigtail though.
Stew
Me
peas
know
without pigtail make no sense. Stew peas without pigtail makes no sense.
Me know you can cook. Beenie said Angel cook the best oxtail after she come from stage show.
Okay then.
Lord, people, on a supply one pot if you don't want a bigger pot, please.
Come. No, we do that pot here.
The pot good, man.
I'm just going to put a little pinch of black pepper in it. So a little pinch. And like that. So I'm going to cover it up and let it do its thing. Okay? Night pot. Let me eat this now and sleep. Me gonna sleep. One big sleep in.
Now wake up till tomorrow afternoon.
And then we do the spoon them, we keep them in water. But who don't know, come over here so. The spoon's supposed to stay in a water. You understand? Not on the counter, not fire to throw down or anywhere. Throw down in a water. Yeah. Rice is finished, so cooking with the angel, I want to leave the rice finished from when? So the stew please are coming down now.
See that percent a while ago, now it's there at 10. Never know
you
something.
are kidding me. So people, I eat that, you know. I eat that. I'm gonna stay with you a little longer because my husband just checked in, so we can just.
Hold on. No black pepper. It's a go give Marlon stoppage of water.
Marlon there. Marlon there after the I'm done. But I don't put a lot. It's just a small amount. It's a small amount. It's a small amount. I don't put a lot.
I love the man who read the comment. I love you too, Alaris.
I don't put a lot. It's a small amount. So I don't usually cook with black pepper, but with stew peas, I look at black pepper after going. I look at tubes, okay? I look at tubes.
Food looking delicious.
Thank you. Come look what I'm going to do. Let it bubble up. Let it bubble up. Now cover it up back. Cover it up back. I'm tired, but I will not. Because you know where I cook and the food's so done. Oh! What's not going there? Oh my God, you're going to tell me? You're going to tell me?
What a wicked act.
Oh, now.
When did I talk about tomato and coconut milk?
I got this coconut milk I need to go in there. See there? Coconut milk don't need to go in there. No time at all.
Him voice sound like Chris. Which Chris? Who name Chris?
I have no idea. I don't know nobody names so.
But
let that sit there and cook down. Yeah. Now meantime I put the mush off my hand. Now meantime I put down. You can take a go comment and look at talking. Now I sit down. I will sit down right over there so. I will sit down right over here so. I'm a tired brother. Tired. Someone else know. Tired man.
it's a scotchy for me.
Everybody will go.
Them I ask if Pat gone her bed.
Pat!
Pat the on a call.
For that time, Pat. Oh, she's on a business call. No, for that time before.
I said, no comments, no miss this man. I can't make the comment they miss me.
Who that?
It's mad at me. So me know.
Oh.
The people that I ask you upon the live.
But you have to be on your live. This live here just put me onto a very business call right here. This live here. You are kidding me. Business. Guys, I don't know what you're doing, but it's working. You gotta get the glory out of this. I love my angels. I love my fans so much. I was just on the live. We got up to about 800 people, and may I request a bag of things. I know that my manager actually on a business call now, so never tell her no happen. I don't know what happened, but when it's all said and done, may I give you the glory because I want to make it happen. You understand? Me just start up some things a while ago. I want to do the right thing. And tag on the wall with myself. No, she never on a business call. So here what? Me don't know who she talk to, but as soon as it's confirmed, I'll let you know. As soon as gosh, I'll let you know. Trust me. Trust me. Yeah, whatever I say now.
Somebody said make sure you put in the little dumplings them, you know.
Them in there already.
Don't miss that. Y'all joined the live too late, man.
Don't put them in there already.
Kitchen must smell lovely. Hey, me a dead in ya. You see like how everybody in the house hungry right now and anchor everybody mouth of water over the pot them. I should not give nobody none.
I'll pat neighbor. May I give them some, man.
I'll pat neighbor come over here.
I'll pat neighbor anchor. I'll wait for the food for the land.
Where's she there? Where is she?
She never come back home. Leave the child alone. Leave the child alone. Everybody will join back the life. Big up on yourself. I not lie. I know say I don't want to sleep. Me want to sleep. Me hungry. But we are waiting for the food.
Them say not tie nobody.
I wait for the food. Sure.
A pair tie.
I'm always
I don't tie some goat and fowl and oh no, people not tie fowl. No, my mother tie fowl.
I get mother. Tired.
Where the spinners them? The spinners are in the pot, people.
They been in the pot long time.
Who is this Chris that people say I sound like?
I have no idea.
I don't know name Chris.
Which Chris that?
We don't know. Who is Chris? People don't talk about Chris. Who is Chris?
Everybody loves Chris. Everybody loves Chris.
No, them say me sound like Chris.
But yeah, but Chris that come on TV with everybody loves Chris. That's
you mean everybody hates Chris? That's a Chris what name? Chris not Tucker. Rock. Chris Rock.
Everybody is?
Well, that the show did name, but me love you, but me not love the stew pizza. You know if you love it. We love it though. It smell good.
Finish up and it can finish up.
The butter never needed, just coconut juice. No people.
We don't have coconut juice.
I feel like the people them who love cook with coconut milk are people who can't cook because them cheat it.
We can't find
them cheat it.
Coconut milk not even in the store. But that's fine. You don't have to use coconut milk. They really don't. I'm telling you, you don't. But everybody cooks differently. Everybody cooks differently. So it's still be so long. You can try it
sometimes you must try new things. See it there?
Yeah, and I was just about to say you can try it my way or you can try it your way. It doesn't matter. I'm just doing it my way. Okay? My way. Hold on.
You need to get
Hold on, what you said?
You need to get back with Beenie. It makes sense.
So my husband just come on for the life. That makes sense. Marlon just came on. He's still there? I don't know.
Marlon, where you there? Send up some fire, Marlon.
Yeah.
Everybody press the smell button now.
He just come on for the life. So, I'm going to give me more man, a 1 man to me thing. 1 man, I make it good, yeah, 1 man. Right, they say there, 1 man to be good.
If it did a pressure cooker, you finish cook long time. Well, if you could have operate this pressure cooker, you could have come and volunteer and cook it. But this was a high-tech pressure cooker. Nobody couldn't figure it.
Can't figure it out. Hey. Don't tell them, don't say anything. Don't say anything. Oh. Did you telling that? Why not go to pot? Yes.
Why not go down the pot?
Good girl. You work your own money. Hey! Why you don't want to pick blood? Me never was a pot man. Pot was like a girl in a circus, so. It's a girl in a circus, so I forget ring. But I want to know why you get the ring, you know. Tell me what you do. Even though girl, I must say me get ring too, you know. I must say me get ring too. Only have a ring can't not attack you.
So, by doing a lot of carnival, the governor of Calabar saw my work in Atlanta, and so they reached out to me to bring the first US team to Nigeria for carnival.
Oh, wow.
But when they reached out, I thought it was a hoax.
Yeah.
So I'm like, who should I take?
Yeah.
So all expense paid. So I put it on Facebook. A lot of people responded, wanted to go to Africa. So I got 10 girls. There were 10 strangers. Some of them I didn't even know. So I took them to Africa, and we took part in Calabar Carnival. So it was all expense paid. And so when we went with the ambassador the night to an event the governor was having, 2 of the girls are actually actresses. They do movies with who.
So what I'm
trying to say, so the ambassador went in before us, and then we were waiting for him, and then I got pissed off because he had the girls waiting.
Yeah.
So what I did, I kicked off my heels, took one of the girls' sandals, and I went backstage, and I was mad, and I was like, what's going on? The girls are waiting. And then I said they were supposed to perform. I have no information. So one of the guys was like, did we get this song?
She tell me, she get her husband.
Yeah, so
it's a long story.
Yeah, okay, so anyway, I was so mad, I was backstage standing up, and then this handsome guy just walked by.
Oh, handsome guy, like my baby.
And he looked my way, and I was like, what the hell are you looking at? Then I did a double. I said, damn, he's fine. I said, oh my God. I said, is he really looking at me? So then I looked away, and then he walked up to me, and then he asked me, are you okay? I said, yes, I am. I'm just upset because I'm supposed to perform. And then we started having a conversation and we exchanged numbers. And then I did call him. And when I was on my flight back to Atlanta, he messaged me on the plane and we talked all the way from Turkey to Atlanta. And the rest is history. And I got married in Nigeria.
Yeah, show them the ring. Show them the ring, Pat. Show them the ring. Show them the ring. Video the ring. Video the ring.
Come, bring up the ring.
Video the ring. Video the ring. Video the ring. Video the ring. Video the ring. Video the ring. She's a wife with a ring. She not so. She does be 100% she. She's a warrior. She does. She element. She give make him happy come there. I'm this and there. Right, the song. Married woman.
You just have a song for everything, eh?
Everything. I have a song for everything. Everything. You don't want to test me? You don't want to test me? I work hard. Hold on. I work hard good, yeah.
Oh, why you tie the foul for? So the foul them not run? I don't know. I have to ask her.
Let me tie what?
No, she may say mother tie the foul.
My God, I'm not putting a call my child. Marco?
Alright, people.
No.
Oh.
Marco. Eh? Yes? This is my other shoes. Excuse me? Let me check. Let me check now, Marco. Let me check. Hold on. What about them pitney man? Them things are getting rot in them. What happened? What about them? Jesus Christ. On the live? Somebody was really on the live.
This is like my only breakfast. I don't know what to do. Okay, so
Much excitement.
You're going to get
One wants to show my face, so I'm not show my face. What? It's not showing my face on here.
Who's that? Y'all want to see
People are
it?
saying, no.
Yes,
no.
he showed my face,
Me
so I'm
too
going to show
ugly,
his
camera
face.
broke.
No, look. There he goes, okay?
Yeah,
that's
I'm
who
not
behind the
Chris.
camera, okay?
Alright, cool.
It's not fair. He want to show his face, but he not showing his face. Introduce yourself, Ray. Tell her what you do on the team.
Alright, so everybody always here, she said, talk about Ray Russell. So this is the face behind the Ray Russell name. So I am the content.
Tell them something going to take a call with son here.
Yeah, we're doing over for you.
Angel is on a little bit of a break.
She's
right
coming,
now,
so we.
Tell
Yeah.
us let out to me child.
Yeah,
Yes.
having
She's
a-
coming back, guys. Ray now is introducing himself. Yeah, go ahead, Ray.
So basically, I am the Angel's content creator. So I do a lot of the photos and videos that you see on the page. So I'm behind Pamela, Ashley, Susie, all them people. I'm the voice of the person who's always, chastising her. So only but people will fight me over that, but I guess that helps to make it, spicy. Well, yeah, exciting and fun. So, yeah.
And give them your IG.
That's me. Oh, yeah, my IG is Ray Russell. So that's WRAYRASAL. Yeah.
And he's very good to the team. He brings a lot to the team, guys. Really love him. Easy guy to work with. You know, they all in Jamaica. I'm the only one in Atlanta, so we run business from
They
here.
can't see you, Pat.
Don't try to show Ray.
So people them want to see me.
And this is the producer behind the scenes. So introduce yourself, sir.
Bless up. My name is Beware. People know me as a War Angel. I'm actually a selector and I play songs.
He always with the
If
selected.
you ever see Revolution song on the road, they know it's my one. I'm Beware. Matter of fact, we're clashing in New York. This Saturday, we're clashing against New Vision from Florida, King Champion from Brooklyn, and it's going to be held in New Lots, Brooklyn. King IDs is hosting it. That's the other side of my life. But on this side, you guys check out my page at Iyanla's Son and see all of the producers and television work that I'm doing. Hustle and Toll, Iyanla Fix My Life, Love and Hip Hop. What's the other thing? Games People Play for BET. So Behind the Fix for OWN. So there's a couple of things you guys can go there and see all the things that I'm working on. So bless you.
Right, guys, you heard that. That's Ariana Van Zant's son, Damon Van Zant, okay? And he's just telling you all what he does production behind. And he's right now behind the Angel production. We coming to you hard. Stay tuned. Okay, we try to keep you our company until Angel come back. You have any questions? I'm not a... How you sure
Put on the song, let Pat go down there.
No,
Yeah.
I don't want to go down. I can't
No,
go down.
cancel it live,
see Pat go down there.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Hey guys, I look a hot mess. I have a bad hair day. You know?
You want to see? Tell me if you want to see Pat go down there.
Not this one.
They want to see you go down there,
Oh,
Pat.
But Pat do okay. Pat is the manager for the Asia. I oversee the entire team. I'm also the president of Atlantic Caribbean Carnival, and I also work full-time in accounting. I'm a mom of 3 girls. 2 girls, one is my niece. She's in college, studying to be a doctor. My oldest is in finance, and the baby, she's doing video programmer. Huh? Yes. Oh yes. She's doing video programming at college, and I'm president of a non-profit organization also. And my sister, Michelle.
I'm back.
Okay, and that's Michelle, my sister. So back to the angel, guys.
I am back, everybody.
Here.
I am back. You know what I'm saying? My son is my everything. My son is my world. So once him call, everything gets shut off. You understand? So.
Pat, them ask if she want a man. Somebody asked if Pat want a man.
She's married. My husband is Nigerian. Handsome guy. Go check out my page. You see my husband at President ATL Carnival.
Okay. Go check it out. So this a finish up now. You good?
Yeah, them said check the pot.
Yeah.
Your hot dough angel, where are your wings?
My wings them. We put them down a little bit.
Hey, them should have seen the wings yesterday.
Put them wings them a little bit. Because I know it go. We can't have wings right through. Now let's sit down and make the pot go and do its thing. I look at you and answer my phone. Because I know how much marketing you call me. Nobody can call me them so. Right through. So my family call me.
Emergency or anything.
Yeah, so I had to answer about everything, Chris. The food are done. It's
Lot?
done. It's a drawdown.
How you ask what your good news are?
Well, it's a drawdown.
No, there's so much good news I have to share. Oh my God.
Real?
Yes.
I don't want to hear the good news yet. I just want to
No,
go and talk to
share.
me.
It's for the team.
I want to talk to my angels. Gosh, you guys, I don't know what happened, but you made it happen.
How long you and Marlon together?
How long men together?
Yes.
That's not something I want to share.
Somebody I wait for Marlon for answer to. Marlon.
She's with Marlon. I didn't know that.
That's not what I want to share.
She keep secret from we.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Yeah, that's my private business, people.
I didn't know.
That's my private business. Marlon not gonna answer either, so that would not waste time.
Who said them have beard oil for me? No. I don't like the beard.
My
but
fans are the best.
No, sir.
Everything. Not no missing. What else there was? No missing.
them have beard oil for me.
No missing. You don't know what they
Oh, them
ask.
a what? Them a ask
But-
how long she and Marlon together?
No, that's nobody's
Right.
business. Like seriously, my business is my business. I'm personal business. My private business in my private room. And I have something for everything. You don't test me, you don't test me. I have something for everything. In fact, already. Why fire the slow though? Fire the slow. You know, the rice done. We done the rice. We done the vegetable. We done everything. I wait for the stew, please. Listen, she have a pressure cooker that I do not understand. That pressure cooker is at stress. It's on my left breast.
We need
Technicalities. Mother, you can go off for me and get up on me.
people them say we need a show in Spain. When you go to Spain?
Spain? You finished with this? Yeah, I'm ready to go to Spain right now. Right. You know, I had a tour in Europe before COVID. So it's like a reschedule now because the place that opened up back little. So it's like a reschedule. I'm going to take my next vaccine. Take one already. Take one already. Come here, sir. You can't go certain place unless you're vaccinated. Bria, when you do this up, I want you ready myself.
Want me do my face?
Let me do something. I went and say a while ago.
Oh no, I mean them a talk about some me. Them forgive me back. Give me back the phone and make me read the comments and answer.
You read them, man?
Yeah, I'm trying to find something fun to read.
You are reading them right.
What's Ray IG name, Lord?
Tell them Ray.
It's Ray Rasal, WRAYRASAL. Check out my work on that page.
Yeah, and he always want to be behind the scenes and hide it. But he's very talented people. He's like content creator. All the pictures they see are going with on social media. We have been working together almost 3 years now. We in the world COVID and we have been able to go on the content, the Pamela, the Ashley, all the skit them, the Susie, where people home happy, fabulous. And fruitful, yeah, we've been doing it, we've been clocking it, and now we're here in Atlanta doing the same things and just keeping you happy.
People, they must have tell us the good news.
Oh, I'm not here yet.
We don't know what the good news is.
I don't know what it is.
We can't tell you. We can't tell you yet.
It's done.
Yeah. When we hear the news and just make one good news come first, and because we have a good news for Friday.
Yeah.
So make that pass first, and then the next good news. No, so the pot take long.
Bad.
Well, Queen Pat, I just start following you. You have a new follower, Pat.
Oh, thank you. Here what happened now. Here what happened. Like that.
Somebody said catch up the outside fire.
May I tell you?
At what time of night
That
now?
pot here. Hold on. Wash that back my hand.
You see, she washes her hands, people, so don't come past on a place.
Right through.
Say people business and leave it alone. Hallelujah. Yes. Right there, sir. Show the rice. The people want to see the rice again.
The rice been done long time.
Yeah, they want to see rice. The rice look nice.
The rice there.
Pretty rice.
That skeleton tonight. Me take out the skeleton. The rice done long time. Nice and shelly. Nice and shelly. Rice done long. Stop, don't put them back.
No, I did something I plug in.
Yeah, we know, but don't plug it in right from here. Make sure they're done all live tomorrow. See it here? You should look at it tomorrow. Now go back live tomorrow.
Yes, you won't be like me.
Oh. Yeah, we make them know about man. Let me join in.
Should I cook some curry chicken? People type to see the curry chicken. Go up on YouTube and you see the curry chicken.
Come on, buy yourself. Oh, you're back here again?
Yeah. I don't know what's up with this live on this phone, but
How much time you have in there?
it's at 10%.
10, we don't trust that.
Yeah, so
It's plugged up.
somebody said, wow, I think the pot did finish.
Go on them, come look on it now. Alright, stay on it.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to show them the pot and then they're gonna land the pot soon. Right?
Alright.
Land the pot soon.
So you want me to come over there now?
Yeah.
Alright.
See them. See the people. Talk to me nice. Talk to me pot. Talk to me stew peas. Yeah. Be there with stew peas. Be there with nice, decent and tidy stew peas.
No coconut milk required.
Talk to me stew peas. Because I boil them a little bit more like that. Talk to me stew peas. Talk to the stew peas. You want to boil them a little bit more, people? And I eat that.
Somebody said what she's cooked is stew peas.
Stew peas not nice.
With pig's tail and beef and stew.
Pig mouth.
No, pig mouth. We don't do pig mouth.
Don't me have nothing, you know, man. Don't me have nothing, yeah. Alright.
So people, Pat says,
Jamaicans don't eat pig mouth. We don't eat pig mouth. You're right.
Jamaican people, all the Jamaican people on here.
Everyone on the live who eat pig mouth say, the Jamaican man is still saying
Let me hear this.
More say one Jamaican person said them eat pig mouth.
Hold on, let me talk this way, my food. I'm cooking stew peas with pigtail and beef stew. You understand? Beef stew. She do stew peas with pig
I
mouth.
never said that because I don't cook stew peas. I'm not Jamaican. I'm saying pig
So,
mouth.
Jamaican don't cook stew peas?
Yes, and Tigers don't cook stew peas.
Oh, but she
Jamaican
said,
pig.
you eat pig mouth?
How can you eat pig mouth?
So ask them who eat pig mouth.
Nobody here, somebody said fire. People said no.
Pig mouth.
Trinidad people too, apparently.
Yeah, we
They
eat pig mouth. Yes.
Jamaicans and yam pig mouth.
Pig ears.
Jamaicans don't eat pig mouth.
Them
We
say.
eat pig mouth, pigtail, everything.
I eat pig tail. not
Because the thing is, we cook something called seasoned rice, and in seasoned rice we have chicken back, pig mouth,
Somebody say
pigtail,
it nice.
all of that.
Oh.
Somebody say me. I first never hear about pig
I want
mouth.
Jamaican that said them.
Well, me say all the Jamaicans for answer, so I guess these are Jamaicans.
And they said they eat
Alright.
pig mouth, right?
When I cook
Yeah,
seasoned rice,
yeah. Some people are say fire.
Fire.
Somebody say yeah, fire, straight
You
fire.
eat the pigtail
Fire
and not
for
the
the pig
mouth.
mouth.
How you gonna eat the tail of a pig and not the mouth?
I eat the tail, period. I don't eat the mouth, okay? Listen, I am the tail, not the mouth.
Burn up.
When I cook stew,
Why?
Why for the mouth? When I do seasoned rice, I do the ackee and saltfish and corn pork.
I love cook it with salt beef and pigtail. Okay.
Voilà.
Pig mouth. No pig mouth? Well,
Why about a big one? I swear. You want a big one? Not gonna come apart.
I need something. because
The food finished now. Get the disposable plate then. Food done. I'm not come.
you have to give them in bowls because that's too hard to put in a plate. That don't make the plate.
No, it's not the plate.
Somebody say Auntie Pat killing me.
It's not the plate, man.
Patty, I kill them.
Pat, run the plate, yeah. Never
I
just
kill them, Pat.
Never just
No, the killing them not depend that.
Pig mouth.
Cornport nice tonight, so.
Yeah,
Which one is her? You know. We're doing this long time. No, turn this off. Which one is it? No, I just
The
turned
boat
it
soon
on.
land, people. Boat soon land. Like we are look upon it from the shoreline right now.
Oh yeah, this done. I turn it down. Can I get some plate?
No, Angel not taste the food.
No, I'm not taste the food.
She don't need to taste the food. She trusts her cooking.
Food good, man. I'm not taste nothing. Only time I taste the food, I went to go to my bed.
Center flow through the phone speaker. Auntie Patty, I teach Angel to cook.
Your mother
I never cook stew peas. The thing is, I hardly cook because I'm always so busy running like so many different organizations and doing different stuff. I hardly cook.
Patty's a very busy woman.
Very.
So I'm not busy. That's why I said, I'm not busy.
So Pat can't get her liquor shine.
That's why I said, Patricia, I'm
So-
not busy. I'm not doing
Okay
nothing.
then.
Me not have nothing doing. Me not busy.
Angel, I take things personal now.
Oh, you got all the mass with me and share.
You not share right
So you
now?
could have done, get the battery are dead.
So, you don't have it plugged in?
Yeah, plug in, but it now will come all the way
Well,
over
you want to
there.
come over here, Shia?
That may I say, make
No
sure just
more than see what going.
from plate to pot, from pot to
We
plate.
have to put it here.
Here what am I gonna do? I'm gonna move this. Come over
Jesus,
there.
so I get it back. I must have have no plug in now. Shop no plug in.
I just now want to have this too close to the fire.
No, it's good. Cause...
Alright, go on.
Alright, so we're going to share now. See people? What would they have to eat?
Michelle, her husband, we will eat pork, so he eat the rice.
We didn't want to eat first, you know. What?
We will eat rice and vegetables.
Alright, I don't know whose plate that is. I guess that's Angel's.
You will. Oh, that plate not for the good.
I think you never name enough.
No, me have me times. Me even.
Where say you're hungry? A hungry time now.
People.
Somebody says share mine. Pat is the first woman to be very busy.
Really? Listen,
What do you mean?
I run 4 different organizations. What you mean?
I name Flawless Diamond.
You don't know.
Tell my sister say his nephew in Atlanta. I don't know.
Come, share the food and share.
Take
food
time,
and
share Angel.
Yeah, please.
Rice looks shelly.
I take time, share because. How much?
Them say finally that a 3 plate gone so far. So
Finally, me
3 plate gone so far.
Share me on the office.
By the time she done share everything done out of that pot there.
Man, after me tomorrow. After me tomorrow, where is that? A year when it's not get no more.
Okay, so that's my share.
A year share.
May I split it in a 2.
You not get no more. And it's a mine. Me don't want my food not this.
Send mine. What you want yours in a 1 pot?
No?
You want go for
Sorry.
a big pot round a back pot.
Sorry.
Cause that she want
Me
fair
don't want my
food
not
serving.
Sorry there. Sorry there.
Oh,
You
sorry.
know my food not that. The thing say, me, you want my food in a big plate. Yeah.
Alright, shall I look for the biggest plate she can find. Pot book out.
Me don't want my food in a that. And I must have to say, a poppy show.
Some love my rice.
Shelly and nice, right people?
Pat no cook for her Nigerian husband.
Oh,
What? Say that on camera.
She get get. When I was in Nigeria during Christmas for an entire month, and I shipped a box with all my season, everything, because it's hard to get season in Nigeria. You can't find oxtails, you can't find a lot of stuff. So I made sure I have everything that I need. So I cook for my husband. It's just that I never cook African food, jollof rice and stuff. But he could cook.
I don't want no jollof rice.
You never had it.
I don't want no jollof rice.
If you had it, you want it all the
I
time.
don't want no jollof rice, no. So that's what I mean.
What make the rice jollof or whatever it was name?
Jollof rice.
Yeah, what about it so special?
It's just different. I don't know what they're cooking it, but it's just different. It's
Pat, come Pat, a carrot plate and come and share it 2 pieces. And the vegetable, you know that. You must be a wicked app.
Somebody said jollof rice bad.
Yes, it's really good. And Africans cook with a lot of pepper. Their fish is good, but they like coleslaw a lot.
It's a my food.
Angela kill me.
It's a my food.
Remember Beenie Man one? Pat is the first person to cook for a Nigerian husband.
Aww. Yeah. All them know that.
One time you cook, Pat.
Come. Huh?
One time you cook.
No, I cooked when I was there for the entire month.
Alright, so the stew peas are share out here now.
Yeah, I come for your food.
No, them.
No, they're
What them say? What them say? Anything stay too long, serve too, master. Me eat your plate, you know, Michelle. And Kerwin. Like, me eat the 3 food, them, you know, for throw away. So, like, come and get it.
I'm not good at sharing people, but.
Oh, Lord.
Patricia,
Yes, darling.
this is for you.
She give me all this food I tell her to be on a diet and lose weight.
No, you did.
That not trouble, yeah.
Huh?
We're not forgetting the owner. Not forgetting the owner fork though.
You give me all this food angel this time of night. You want me a colic or something?
You have to eat the pot.
Put on some, put up some. Eat some and put on the rest.
I'm not good at sharing what.
It's the video man for me. Come through, beware. Alright, them says the video man for me. Pat first. Pat get for your food first. See it tick then all people them where did that chat. You forget the veggies. The veggies do already, people. The veggies are in the fridge.
You can share the vegetable for me, please?
I taste Nigerian food once and let me tell you I almost pass out. Why I almost pass out? If I me put on the camera and go hold the food. Where's Beware? Beware put on the camera a long time.
Beware don't eat pork.
Yeah, Beware not eat meat.
You don't eat pork.
Girl pretty and can cook. Really watch nice food.
That's it.
It looks good. Top chef.
Thank you.
Angel, Nikandra and Christal want some. Rasta vegetables. Rasta vegetables not put on the food. The vegetables are share out, people. I want and she have. She can only do one thing at a time. No space on the plate for veg. The veg can put in a different something. See it there. Who want vegetable can take out for themselves. It's served on a platter. Stew peas and it's not Wednesday. How are this man?
Any day. Big up yourself, the nice clean sisters, Zoe. My dinner, yeah, the Sunday.
Take the gravy.
My dinner.
Come, them want to see the gravy.
Hmm?
Them want to see the gravy.
Okay.
Yeah. Look how much people join the live since the food share.
See gravy, yeah.
Y'all don't have work tomorrow?
No, them
Y'all don't have work tomorrow?
apparently not. Enough meat, something like it. This look good. Why Jamaicans share so heavy?
Me hungry bad.
Cause we eat heavy.
Me hungry bad. So see that now? Food is served.
Of who food is? Oh, this is your
Some my
plate.
food.
Okay.
Take one piece of more pigtail.
You can save it for the second sharing
No,
still.
me I eat one time at food. Me hungry.
This make me hungry.
Hungry bad.
Everybody said they're hungry upon the live now. Mouth run
See there?
water and all these things.
Dinner, hold on. Make sure you clean up me. My mother teach me. When you share, you not share both, you just share ordinary Jamaican hungry style. So see there? Dinner is served. Let me pick out this. Pick out this out of my food. So this is stew peas and rice. Thanks to everybody who stayed on my live and watched me cook up a star and go and ask for sitting. All who say me if add this and take away the can subtract that. This is it, my style. You understand? Big up for yourself. Now I'm going to eat my food. Good night to everybody. Stay safe, stay prayed up. I know say, me love you. Me love you. And make share the news and stay tuned this weekend because we're going live.
Tell them stay tuned tomorrow too for the
The
live.
whole fiesta. We're going live. We're going live. I'm tired. So, yeah. The video man come on for live too.
Yeah, he want film food now.
Yeah, the video man want to eat. The man behind the camera, real style, he want to eat too. So the vegetable, come here. I'll show them the vegetable. Vegetable can catch us, so. I put some salad dressing on it. They can catch right on the side, so give the food a color. You understand?
See, the vegetable all on the plate, people.
They're on the side.
All we did that talk. Boat land.
Yeah.
Me reach late, sure. Oh, come.
Yeah.
There we go. And dinner is served just like that.
Just like that.
Boat
Big up on
land.
yourself. Big up on yourself.
Then know what time we're gonna sleep tonight?
No. No, we don't eat, never sleep. So big up on yourself here. Love you guys so much. Thank you for staying with me on my live cooking with the angel. Dinner is service at your plate. Now eat for me and everybody. I swear that eat for me and everybody. By tomorrow I must gain the cup on. By tomorrow I must gain the cup weight. It's not ask. Bye everybody. Bye bye.